Hello everybody and welcome back to Teahcher channel. Right, we're back in the realm of making the character. So you may have seen the clips already of how to make the shoes, how to make the hands and how to make the face. Well, now I'm going to make the body. Hey! Okay, so first of all we need to stick the body on something. And this is what I'm going to use. So it's a piece of wood, believe it or not. And I've just drilled a hole in the top where you can hang it on the wall or wherever you want to hang it. And yeah, so that's what it's going to do. So the figure will fit in there in some shape or form. Now, what I've done already is cut some wire. This wire is for the feet and this is for the arms. May look a bit funny, but all you do is just get some wire that you can move about like this. It needs to be fairly strong, but at the same time you need to be able to bend it into the shape you want it. And then it's basically like having bones of a body, really. So you just, the armature is what you use to put all the bits and pieces on and go from there. So like we made those shoes, they're going to stick on the bottom there. Remember, we made the holes for the shoes, and then I said about the wire going in, and that's what this is for. So the shoes will be stuck in that part there. Now, what I did is I got my piece of wood, and then I cut my wire to size, and then sort of worked out roughly where everything's going to go. So if you can imagine, this is the arms, this is the legs, and then we've got a body in there. And we're going to have the head, and I did want to try and put Zumba on the top as well, but we'll see if we've got enough room at the end of it for the character to have that as well. So yeah, so you get the idea of where I'm coming from. So yeah, so it's all good. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make the legs. Now I'm not using clay for this. I'm going to cover it with a piece of ribbon that I had left over from another project. So what you do is you get a glue gun, I have one here, funny enough, and I'm going to wrap the ribbon, that's the word, around the metal. So first of all, I need quite a clean edge, so I'm just going to cut that end off. Because it's frayed a bit. Keep that because I might use it for a future project. And what you need to do is, because you want to cover all this, and then the bottom bit where the shoes are going to be, you sort of want the shoes to fit on, but you also want there to be an overlap, that like there would be in real life with the trousers or leggings or whatever going sort of over the top of your ankle, etc., and then onto the top of your shoe. So we're going to try and do that. So what I might do is stick it on to about, start from about there, and then see we've got that bit left. Can you see that? I think you can, yeah. So we've got that bit left for the shoe to go on. And don't worry if when we put the shoe on, the hole's not deep enough and you've still got a bit of wire showing, because we can make some socks, or I can make the trousers come a bit longer. So let me just stick that on, but all will be revealed when I actually get on with it. And I've just realized my glue gun that I turned on isn't actually switched on, so I'm going to have to stop the video and start it again when the glue gun's ready. There you go. So it's all live here, you know. I'll be back in a sec.